Game of Thrones Season 8 is the best season of the show, and here is why. Just freaking kidding, you actually think this pile of horse vomit is the best season of the show? Oh my god. Jon Snow says the same 4 lines. Dany destroys King's Landing after they surrendered like a whining baby. Bran becomes a comatose vegetable who just stares at people. Tyrion becomes a mentally handicapped version of himself who thinks a crippled pile of dirt should be king. The White Walker story is just as relevant as the meaningless Golden Army. Cersei becomes obsessed with elephants. Captain Jack Sparrow is the cringiest villain to ever grace television. Arya somehow forgets all of her faceless assassin training and never uses it. Varys becomes a gossiping tween who tells everyone he's committing treason. Jon gets a free pass for killing Dany as if he was playing Monopoly. A sellsword who doesn't understand the concept of borrowing money becomes master of coin, and the whole season drops more plot lines than any other show because Dumb and Dumber didn't want to do more than 8 seasons and wanted to bail on the show for money to work for Netflix. But yeah, this is why Game of Thrones Season 8 is the best season in the show. Happy April Fools, you average Game of Thrones enjoyer.